Welcome to this presentation on good manufacturing practices. I am Professor P.V. Chandra, RS Vidya Chandra, and in this section we'll explore the essential principles and standards that ensures product quality, safety and compliance in manufacturing environment. Let's get started. The term GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices and it refers to regulations set by US Food and Drug Administrations under the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. These guidelines are designed to ensure that the products are consistently produced and controlled according to the quality standards. The concepts of GMP gained importance due to rising concern about the poor manufacturing practices. In response to these issues, especially after several drug and related tragedies, the US Congress passed 1962 Drug Amendment Act. These amendments mark a significant turning point by requiring manufacturers to prove the safety and efficacy of their drugs before approving. Good manufacturing practice or GMP is a comprehensive system that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled. According to established quality standards, it plays a crucial role in manufacturing, especially in pharmaceutical industries, where the quality of final product can directly impact human health. GMP covers all aspects of production from the starting materials and premises to the training and hygiene of staff. The aim is to build quality into products at every stage rather than rely solely on testing the final product. This approach minimizes risks such as contamination, mix-up, and errors, which cannot be completely eliminated just by testing. In essence, GMP helps create a strong foundation for producing safe, effective, and high quality medicines and health related products. We already understood that GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices, which focuses on ensuring that the products are manufactured with high standards of safety and quality to prevent contaminations and errors. On the other hand, CGMP stands for the Current Good Manufacturing Practices. Current in CGMP emphasizes the importance of staying up to date with the latest technologies and regulatory standards in manufacturing. This ensures that the company continuously improve their systems and processes to meet evolving industry expectations and maintain product quality safety. Good manufacturing practices or CGMP are critically important because consumer cannot easily identify if the product is unsafe or ineffective just by looking at it or smelling it or even touching it. Unlike visible defects, many safety and quality issues in pharmaceutical and other products are not detectable through our sensors. That is why GMP ensures every step of the manufacturing process meets strict quality standards so that the end product is safe, effective, and reliable. Even when its quality isn't immediately visible to the consumer, without GMP, the risk of contamination, incorrect labeling, or inconsistent dose increases, which can pose serious health hazards. Therefore, GMP plays a key role in protecting public health and building consumer trust. This slide explains the structured approach to GMP documentation based on Plan Do Act cycle, which is fundamental to the quality management systems. At the top is the plan phase, which begins by defining quality policy and creating quality assurance manual. This document sets the foundation to all GMP activities by outlining objectives and responsibilities. The next comes do phase. This includes the standard operating procedures, that is also called SOPs. SOPs provide the step-by-step instruction to ensure that all tasks are performing consistently and in compliance with GMP standards. They are critical for training employees and maintaining quality across production. In the base layer, we have forms, protocols, work instruction, even some of the statutory regulatory requirements which need to be fulfilled. So it can be add-on with specific needs for global standards or specific collaborations with other industries. That instruction also need to be taken care. These support documents helps record actual operation, verify processes and guide specific tasks. They serve as evidence that the procedures are followed as planned. Finally, the act phase. This focuses on evolution, the performance, and making improvements. This may involve internal audits, corrective actions, and updates to the policies or procedures based on feedback and observed results. Together, this documentation cycle ensures traceability, consistency, and continuous improvement in GMP compliance, ultimately helping to safeguard product quality and patents safety. This slide highlights the importance of 21 CFR Part 210 and 211, which are very critical components of FDA's regulations on good manufacturing practices. These sections specifically address the manufacturing, processing, packaging, and holding of pharmaceutical drugs. Compliance with this part ensures that the drugs are produced consistently and meets the quality standards required for safety and efficacy. While these regulations are primarily aimed at drug manufacturers, they can also significant benefit to supporting companies and service providers. By aligning with these standards, even external partners can enhance their operational credibility and contribute to overall product quality. In short, Parts 210 and 211 serve as a regulatory backbone for GMP in pharmaceutical and promote culture of compliance, safety, and continuous improvement across the supply chain.